Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you how to make pastry the easy way. In the 70s, my mom showed me how to make it. I think it was my nan's recipe, but I think it's used by millions of people all over the world these days to make savoury pies. A few years later, I was at culinary school learning to become a chef. I made pies for a pub in my spare time. I needed the money because I'd just discovered girls. Anyway, I've made thousands and thousands of pounds of pastry in my life by hand. And nowadays, at my age, I want an easier life and I don't want to give up pie. So I'm going to show you how to make shortcrust pie pastry with my Magimix food processor. Any food processor will do the job as long as it's in good working order and as long as you don't try to make too much at a time. This Magimix model's got a 3-litre bowl and it means I can comfortably make a 2-pound batch of pastry. And it won't take more than 2 minutes. No more rubbing the fat into the flour. No more worrying about whether the mixture resembles breadcrumbs or not. Right, let's get cracking before the cat starts meowing, shall we? Here's my machine. We're going to need the blade attachment. Yours might be metal, it might be acrylic, it might be plastic. That's what we're going to need. I've got 500 grams of all-purpose flour if you live in the States, and plain flour if you live in the UK. Don't do what I do and spill the flour. I'm so clumsy. Right, let's throw in some lard and some butter. All the measurements in the description box below, along with a pinch of salt. I haven't cut the lard and butter up because the machine does all that work. I'm going to lock my lid on. I'm going to press the pulse button. And before you can say, Chef Archie's easy recipes, the mixture inside there is going to resemble breadcrumbs. Seriously, this Magimix machine is amazing. If anyone wants to buy one, Magimix should buy me a large gin and tonic. What I like to do is to take the lid off. And I like to just agitate the mixture. It's all clumped together around the sides. Just loosen it up a little bit if you can. The speed of the machine will make everything clump so easily. Right, I want to demonstrate to you the mixture now resembles perfectly breadcrumbs. That's exactly the stage we want. Let's get the lid back on, lock it in. Now I've got some ice cold water. I'm going to slowly pour into the pastry. If you use the exact measurements, you'll get perfect shortcrust pastry. Put the pulse button back on, pour the ice cold water in. And when you've used all your water, you'll notice that the pastry comes together and forms a big blob. The bowl will become clean, and once it's formed a blob, it's ready. And yes, that's how quick it is. Right, let's get the lid off. Let's show you the consistency of the pastry. It's perfect. It's slightly moist. How long did that take? And I don't know what pastry costs to buy from the shops, but some of this commercial stuff you buy now has got all sorts of stuff in it. And I want my pastry to have natural ingredients. Right, look closely. The cake consistency, or cakey, means we're going to have a lovely, crumbly shortcrust pastry. And that's it, everyone. I've got a 2-pound block of pastry there in just under a couple of minutes with my Magimix food processor. And thanks for watching the video, and say hi to Stampy. Happy pie making. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and smash that like button.